Next, we welcome Tajikistan to cage 3 in the blue corner and Ireland in the red. Touch the gloves and we get underway. Now Tajikistan, a great vast array of striking skills and excellent in the wrestling realm, as we're seeing here as he drops down to look for the double leg. Turns the corner beautifully into the top position. Nice butterfly utilization though from Ireland as he looks for the takedown of his own. Oh, Tajikistan looking to clasp the back here. Might look to try and get to the quarter mount from the top position. Skips the leg through beautifully to mount. And again, as we said before, the head strikes disallowed under this youth amateur rule set. So from this top position, we see a lot more submission attempts, the Americanas, the armbars, as we're seeing here. Tajikistan going straight after it, belly down. Ireland there with a tap, beautiful work from Tajikistan. Quick fire submission attempts from the mount to secure his victory and his path forward here at the 2022 immaf Youth World Championships.